People are actually making money, I mean real money from this particular platform. If you check out this lady here, she has made 4,930,000 naira. This is a second person, 2,500,000. This is the third person, 636,800. You see 464,000, 396,000, 356,000, 291,000, 277,000, 251,000, 230,000. The reason why I registered on this platform is because I have seen people who are actually cashing out real time from this particular platform. In fact, the person that introduced me to this platform has made good amount of money from this platform. And that is why I have decided to register on this platform to start making money as well for this platform. And this is also a good opportunity for you to make money for yourself. So I'm going to show you exactly how to create an account on this platform and how to make money from this platform. So to create your account on this platform, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you to this page. Once you land on this page, the first thing you need to do is to enter your username, right? Select any username of your choice here. Then you enter your full name here. Enter your email address right here. Enter your phone number right here. Then enter your password, which you are going to be using to log into your account, right? Once you have filled in these details, you come down here and click create account. Once you create account, your account will be created successfully. So once you have created your account successfully, the next thing you are going to do is to upgrade your account, right? So you are going to click this upgrade right here. Once you click upgrade, you are going to see the different plans on this platform, right? The first one is 1,500 naira, as you can see right here, 1,500 naira. And on this plan, you make 100 naira per VoiceEarn session, right? You earn 60 naira per word game. You earn 50 naira per sponsored post. You earn 50 naira per task, and you earn 800 naira per activated sale, right? So this activated sale simply means referral. So if you scroll down, you see other plans right here. This one is called Voice Starter, as you can see, and it will cost 3,000 naira to go for this plan. On this plan, you earn 180 naira per VoiceEarn. You earn 120 naira per word game, 90 naira per sponsored post, 90 naira per task, and 1,800 naira for each referral, right? So if you scroll down, you see other plans right here. You see 5,000 naira plan, 9,000 naira plan, right? So for the sake of this video, I am going to go for this voice starter, which is 3,000 naira, right? I'm going to go for this plan right here so that I can be able to show you how to deposit money in this platform and how to actually perform these tasks on this platform and make your money. So follow me, let's go there. If you want to deposit money on this platform, remember this is an online investment, right? So ensure you deposit any amount you can afford to lose, right? I am simply showing you what I do to make money online. So if you feel that this is actually what you can also do to make money online for yourself, then go ahead and deposit money on this platform. Deposit the amount you can afford to lose, right? So with that being said, I'm going to click on deposit 3,000 naira to activate, right? So I will click on that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this 3,000 naira because I want to deposit 3,000 naira. So I will click on it and click continue button. So let me do that right now. So I will click continue, then I will click pay now, right? I will click pay now. So it has given me a bank account to make this bank transfer. So I'm going to copy these details, make a transfer to the account, and it is going to reflect automatically, right? So I'm going to make a transfer of 3,060 naira. Make sure you make the exact amount that you are going to see on this screen. So as you can see, I just made the transfer and it was confirmed automatically, right? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click activate a plan right here, right? So I will click activate a plan. So as you can see right here, the money has been added to our account right here. So I will go I will scroll down and go to the 3,000 naira plan right here. As you can see, this is the 3,000 naira. So I'm going to click activate with deposit. So I will click on it right now, activate with deposit. So I will click confirm activation. Confirm activation. As you can see, I have activated this plan of 3,000 naira. So I will click on go to dashboard to go back to my dashboard. Before you start performing your task, I will recommend you add your bank account details first, right? So click here to add your bank account, right? So just select your bank account details and you click save, right? Select your bank account details and you click save right here. So I'm going to do it and continue this video right now. So I have just added my bank account. Then before you add your bank account, please take note of this. Do not place withdrawals using PalmPay as your bank. So do not add PalmPay account, otherwise you are not going to get paid. Now that I have activated a plan of 3,000 naira, so I can now do my task. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to click earn, right? So I will click earn. So this is VoiceEarn, right? This is VoiceEarn. I am going to earn 180 naira for this. This is word game. I am going to earn 120 naira for this. This is 180 and this is 120 naira, right? So let me do the two tasks right now so that you see exactly how to do it. I will click on VoiceEarn. All right. So I will click start session. So all you need to do here is to read what they're going to give you. Just read it aloud, right? So that is just very, very simple. So I'm going to do that right now. I will click start session. Then I will select English. It is already selected, so I will click begin. I am going to tap this microphone button so that I can now start speaking, right? So let me do that right now. So you need to allow your mic to use this app. So as you can see, I have completed this first session, right? I have earned 180 naira, as you can see right here. So I will go back to my dashboard. I will click dashboard to go back to my dashboard. I will click on earn again to complete the second task, which is the word game. So I will click on it, which is this one. I will click on it. So I will click start game, begin. So I will pronounce this word money, right? So I will click my mic to start speaking. So I will do the second one. So as you can see, I have completed both tasks right here. So I'll go back to my dashboard again. If I click N again, you will see that there are also two tasks available here. This is the first one and this is the second one, which is sponsored post, right? If I complete this one, I will earn 50 naira, and if I complete this one, I will earn 90 naira. right? So, but before you complete any of this, you have to link your social media accounts, right? So let me show you how to do that. If you go to home page, simply click this button here. It says link your social accounts, right? Either you click here or you click on the menu icon at the top left, then you click profile. So either of them is going to take you to the same place. So you come here and click social accounts. As you can see here, social accounts. Just click the add button right there. Right, you can add your social accounts here, right? The first one is Facebook profile, the second one is Instagram handle, the third one is TikTok handle. So add any one you want. It is not a must that you add all, right? You can use two. You can use Facebook and Instagram, or Facebook and TikTok, or Instagram and TikTok, anyone you want to, right? So that is it. Go ahead and add it. So once you add your social accounts, you can be able to perform this task right here, right? So that is it. So far I have showed you how to register an account, how to deposit money in your account, how to upgrade your account, right? And how to make money from this platform, right? So there is another way you can actually make even more money from this platform, and that is through their referral program. If I click on the menu icon and click affiliate, right? This is affiliate. From here you can see your referral link, right? You can see your referral link. Just click here to copy it and start sharing it with your friends. Now let me show you how much you can actually earn from the referral program, right? So this is the first one. If someone registers for the Voice Lite, you earn 800 naira referral bonus. If they register for the 3000 naira plan, you earn 1800 naira. If they register for the Voice Pro, which is 5000, you earn 3000. If they register for the 95, you earn 6000. And if they register for the 15,000, you earn 10,000, right? So that is how it actually works, right? Now, how to withdraw. From your homepage, you can see the withdraw button right here. This is the withdraw button. Just click on the withdraw, right? Click on the withdraw and you select the one you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw your engagement earnings, that is your task earnings, withdraw it from here. If you want to withdraw your referral bonus, you click on sales wallet right here, right? Click on sales wallet. From here you can withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal is 1000 naira, right? Once you earn minimum of 1000 naira, you can actually withdraw your earnings, guys. So this is basically how this platform actually works. If you are excited about this and if you are ready to make money from this particular website, go ahead and register using the first link in the video description. But remember, this is an online investment, right? So ensure you deposit how much you can afford to lose, right? So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube, guys.